Hello everybody, welcome back. So today we are going to be making something called Goya Champuru. This is one of the most iconic Okinawan dishes. You guys know we love Okinawa and we have fallen in love with Okinawan food. One of the most iconic or popular common Okinawan dishes is something called champuru, right? And there are various kinds of champuru, but one of the most popular ones is called Goya Champuru.
Champuru is stir-frying dish. So Goya is a bitter melon. The bitter melon is a specialty of Okinawa. They stir-fry with tofu, egg, and pork meat.
It's really easy to make using simple ingredients. Now I know some of you guys might be thinking, ooh, bitter melon. I don't like bitter melon. That's what I used to think until I had Goya Champuru. So give this a try. Give bitter melon a try. This way, I think you guys will like it a lot.
So let's start cooking. So here is a Goya Champuru ingredients. Details are listed in the description below. So we are making 2 servings today. These are the ingredients. So this is the main ingredients, Goya bitter melon. So today I use half of this. And this is half block of tofu, the firm type tofu. 2 slices of thinly sliced pork belly, 1 egg, dashi powder, a half teaspoon of instant dashi powder, oil for stir frying, sugar and salt. This is for topping the bonito flakes, katsuobushi. So Goya Champuru, very important ingredients is tofu. And Okinawan tofu is very firm. In mainland, it is a little difficult to find the very firm tofu. So I bought the regular farm tofu, momen tofu, but before cooking, I have to reduce the water in this tofu. To reduce the water, take this tofu and wrap with paper towel like this and put this weight on this tofu. Maybe this dish is very light, so I put a mug and keep it like this about 30 minutes. While we are waiting for tofu, I will cut this bitter melon, the main ingredient. I already said I use half of this today. Cut into half. It's beautiful. And also cut into half like this. Remove this white thing.
The white part.
White part.
And the seeds.
Yep.
This is actually where it's bitter. So if you remove this carefully, it's really not that bitter.
Okay, so I removed the white part, white thing, and slice about half centimeter width or 2 or 3 millimeter, like this.
So cut them thinly.
Yes.
Yeah, thinner is better in my opinion for this dish.
Thinner is better.
Yeah, less bitter, I think.
Yeah.
Here in Japan, Goya or bitter melon is a summer vegetable. So they're starting to come out at the stores. They say eating bitter melon during the summer it helps with heat.
True.
You know, helps prevent heat stroke and stuff. So we like to eat a lot of bitter melon during the summer months.
It's still bitter, so I reduce this bitterness.
Yes, this is a little trick. So put the bitter melon into a bowl like this.
Sprinkle some salt. Many recipes use salt for reduce this bitterness, but not only that, I use sugar.
So we put about maybe a teaspoon of salt, and that's like maybe
half teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar.
Okay, and then you're gonna massage it like this.
Massage it and set aside. Wait about 10 or 15 minutes. After that, rinse well. It is sweet. Here is sliced pork belly. I will cut into bite-sized pieces like this.
So about 1 inch or
1.5 inch.
1.5 inches, maybe. Yeah, bite-sized pieces.
Bite-sized pieces.
Yeah, that's a better way of saying it.
Like this.
I guess you could use bacon if you want to, right? But
You
maybe
can.
maybe not smoked bacon though. Right?
Not
Yeah.
smoked bacon.
Yeah, pork belly. Also, these days some restaurants make this with spam.
True.
Yeah, but the original is made with pork belly.
And also, Now, I said when I make potama, they use pork belly block, and this one is also like that. Simmer and hot water the pork block, and about 30 or 40 minutes, and after that slice it. But it's time consuming, so I'm using this thinly sliced pork belly.
Right, and honestly, I think most restaurants do it this way nowadays, unless you go to like a really high class Okinawan restaurant. So nothing wrong with doing it this way.
Okay, it's about 15 minutes. So rinse this Goya, place in the colander, and rinse with fresh water. Don't squeeze the bitter melon. You don't want to break this beautiful bitter melon.
That's right. That's right. Gently rinse it. You also don't want to make it taste like dessert, so you want to make sure you get all the sugar out.
Tofu. Ta-da-da! So much water came out.
Yes, you can see all the excess water
Yeah.
here.
And this paper towel. Whoa. Then I stir fry this tofu on this frying pan. Pour a little bit oil on the frying pan, not too much. Before stir fry this tofu, please remove the water because it will splatter. Tear with your hand and place on this frying pan like this. Make it brown on the frying pan.
Okay, so we're gonna cook the tofu until it's brown or lightly brown on all sides of the surface.
Maybe it's a little big, so I will cut into half.
Yeah, I was gonna say, yeah.
Okay, like this.
Right, you see the surface has become brown, so that's what we're aiming for.
Yep.
And this adds to the deliciousness of this dish.
Yes, people.
Look at that. And this is also why you need firm tofu. With soft tofu, this is not possible. Like you said, Satoshi, though, Okinawan tofu is much firmer than the firm tofu we have here in the mainland.
True. Much firmer.
Very, very firm.
It's
The firm tofu in Hawaii, the one that they make in Hawaii, is very similar to the Okinawan firm tofu.
I see.
Yeah, so for those of you in Hawaii, I think you can just use the firm tofu. It's almost like exactly the same as Okinawan tofu, I think.
They have Okinawan culture too.
Yes. Big Okinawan culture in Hawaii. Yeah, I think it's looking good.
Okay, looks good. Once take it out from this frying pan and set aside. And next, stir fry pork meat.
Now we're just going to stir fry this until it's completely cooked. Okay, make sure to cook both sides like this.
Yep.
And it is starting to look a little bit crispy. These are thinly sliced pork slices, so you don't need to cook it too long.
True. In Okinawa, they use lots of pork for their cooking. I loved it. It's also pork belly, and Shinichi also love it.
I love it. Yeah. It's like stewed pork belly.
Yep.
Which we will make in a future video.
Yes. Okay, it's cooked. So turn off the heat, and once take it out. Ooh.
Okay, so set the pork belly to the side. And then we're going to remove some of the excess oil from the pork. A lot of oil came out from the
Lots
pork.
of oil. Yes, but I want a pork flavor, so I use a little bit leftover pork oil. So next I will stir fry bitter melon, but before that I have to prepare egg. Crack one egg and mix. Just like this. Then turn on the heat. Put this bitter melon inside. Be careful, it will splatter. Spread all over this frying pan. Make it a little bit brown one side. Beautiful, very beautiful green color. Little bit brown, becoming a little bit brown. So flip it over. Yes, and stir fry.
Okay, so it looks about ready. We've been cooking the bitter melon for about 3 minutes. The bitter melon is pretty thin.
Yep.
So they're starting to look a little bit translucent. Okay, next step.
Next step is egg. Pour egg here And before that, please reduce the heat a little bit because the egg cooked very immediately. Okay, here, forward like this, and mix with bitter melon.
Okay, and just keep stir frying this until it is combined.
Okay, then return these tofu and meat, pork meat here,
That looks good.
and mix.
Wow, so we got the pork, we got the tofu, we got the bitter melon, and we got the eggs. 4 ingredients in here so far.
Okay, and seasoning. I sprinkle instant dashi powder. This is optional. It's the amount is half teaspoon.
Half teaspoon. And you can adjust to your liking though.
Yep.
Okinawa recipes like this, like home cooking, they use a lot of this instant dashi powder.
And sprinkle some salt.
All right, so salt to taste. Oh, this looks so good. Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Wow.
Goya Champuru is almost ready.
Oh my god, it smells so good.
Okay, so transfer to the plate. This plate is from Okinawa.
Yes, it's my favorite plate. It is one of a kind.
Yes. Nice.
Yeah, although this is not about Okinawan pottery, this is called yachimun. Yes, it's handmade. And there we go. That is the Goya Champuru.
Not yet, not yet.
Oh, not yet.
This is totally optional.
Optional.
I sprinkle bonito flakes.
That's right. That just makes it even better.
And bonito flakes reduce the bitterness of Goya. Goya Champuru is ready.
Yes, it is. It
Please.
looks amazing, amazing. Look at that. では、いただき
どう
ます。
ぞ。
I'm gonna try the tofu because it looks so perfect.
How is it? I think it is good. I eat with nigauri ga
So
Goya.
good. It's so good. Oh, I love the you know how dry the tofu is. It's not watery. That's what I'm trying to say.
That's important.
It's very important. Now, I'm gonna have the Goya, bitter melon, pork, and the tofu and the bonito flakes all at the same time.
I think
So good.
there is no bitterness of Goya. Of course, slight bitterness is good.
You have to have slight bitterness because that's part of the flavor of the bitter melon. But yes, you're absolutely right. There's almost no bitterness.
True.
It's just a pleasant hint of bitterness, I guess. And the bitter melon is still a little bit crunchy, which is, you know, necessary. Also, the egg just makes it mild. Makes the whole thing mild. It's so good. You know, this is so nutritious as well.
Very good for summer days.
Yes. In Okinawa, you can get this as a teishoku set. It comes with rice and miso soups. It's a complete meal. Very nutritious, like we said. Something that we both want all of you guys to try out. Once again, even if you don't like bitter melon, give it a try. Right? Because this is the dish that converted me.
Yeah.
Absolutely converted me.
I'm thinking next time I should make the named Italian.
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 This is from our Niigata video.
Yes, Niigata video. We
That's
went to
right.
Niigata, we amazed the
Oh my gosh.
local dish.
I can't believe you're going to make that.
Italian, named Italian, but
It's not Italian. If you guys don't know what we're talking about, it means you haven't watched our Niigata video. Please check it out. It's a pretty recent video.
true.
And it's something that we discovered. Italian is a thing in Niigata only. It's something you can only find in that city in Japan. And guys, look through our catalog of videos and look for something that you'd like us to try and replicate, you know, from our travel videos in the past. And we will try our best to make them for you.
So if you like this video, please smash the like button and see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Bye guys, have a great day.